Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will show you how to fill random numbers in Excel and how to do the sum total also using the Excel shortcut key. So you can see here for these 7 people, I need to fill the 8 month random numbers and I have to also do the sum total. So first I need to select all these cells, then type is equal to sign, then search for Excel function Randbetween and type the number range. Here also I am taking the number range between 35 to 100. Close the bracket and press enter. So you can see the first random number over here, then Ctrl D to fill the column and Ctrl R to fill the row. So now you can see all the random number over here. So now we need to do the total also. So Ctrl C, then select the Excel shortcut key Alt HVV, then click here and enter the plus sign here. Press enter, then select this cell and drag it down. So now you can see like here you can easily fill all the random numbers using the Excel function, and you can do the sum total using the shortcut key. So I will mention all these shortcut key and Excel function in the description box below to this video. So please check it over there. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.